Alright, today I just received my Boca bearings, ABEX 7s from Boca Bearing Company. Thank you. I'm going to replace my bearings inside my Okuma Sheffield here. And these are the new bearings. As you can see, it's not going to spin too great here. Let's just, and it stops. So what we're going to need is a little dowel here. I'm going to use masking tape here just so that I can set the center pin on top to get the bearings out. So what we're going to do first is we're going to remove this knob here. Once that knob has been removed, we're going to remove the spool. Alright, and spool is free. Let's use a Phillips head to remove these two screws. Alright, now that the two Phillips screws have been removed, we're going to remove the outside piece here. At this time, you'll probably want to clean up on the inside a little bit here if you got a little dirt or sand in it. So next what we're going to do is we're going to take the spool, we're going to flip it to the outside so that we're so the outside is sitting on it's the masking tape here. So it's going to sit right there. We're going to use a wooden dowel. We're going to use a rubber mallet here. And we're going to pound the bearings out from the inside out. Alright, so the bearings came out fairly easy. The order that it came out from the outside here was, you'll see it's a bearing. It's going to come with a little sleeve here. Then we're going to put the O-ring in and the second bearing. Alright, so it's time to install our ABEX 7s, the orange ceramics. So let's go ahead and put, what we're going to do is, instead of putting the outside down, we're going to want to flip it to the inside here. Alright, and it's going to go bearing, then we're going to go O-ring. So it's going to be bearing, O-ring, spacer, and then bearing. Just like that. It's going to go from the outside in this time. Alright, now that the bearings have been installed, what we're going to do is go ahead and put the outside piece back on. Alright, now that the outside piece is back on, it's simple to install. Put the reel back on, the spool back onto the reel here. What we'll do is put the center knob back on. And tighten that knob right up. And as you can see, it's already spinning freely. Better than before. So just with a little spin here. Beautiful. I'm happy with it. Thank you, Boca Bearing.